Imagine scrolling your feed and seeing a lifelike robot puppy blinking, wagging its tail and reacting like a real dog, all for the price of a cheap dinner. That's exactly how the Milow Robot Puppy went viral, pulling in over 50 million views and triggering an emotional response from people who love pets but can't keep one, grandparents shopping for gifts, and anyone drawn to heartwarming tech stories. But when you look past the cute clips and big promises, the results of this investigation raise Milow Robotics claims advanced AI, realistic robotics, and even hints at technology comparable to Sony's AIBO. Yet basic engineering reality makes a $25 to $30 price point for that level of robotics essentially impossible. After analyzing the ads frame by frame, the promotional footage consistently shows signs of real puppies, natural muscle movement, breathing patterns, ear flicks, and eye responses that current consumer robotics simply cannot replicate at this cost. Tracing the product itself leads to generic toy robots listed on Alibaba for as little as $3, suggesting a massive markup through dropshipping rather than original innovation. The company presence also raises red flags, with unverifiable registrations, borrowed media logos, untraceable awards, and no credible engineering team behind the brand. Customer reports add another layer, with hundreds of complaints describing delayed shipping, tracking numbers that never update, refunds that stall or vanish, and a product that looks nothing like the ads once it arrives. Following the payment trail reveals a tightly structured funnel designed to capitalize on viral emotion rather than deliver breakthrough technology. This doesn't mean every buyer will have the same experience, but the gap between marketing and reality is significant enough to warrant caution. If you've seen the Milow Robot Puppy ads flooding your feed and wondered whether it's real or just clever marketing, this breakdown may help you make a more informed decision before spending your money. And if this review saved you from a regretful purchase, let me know in the comments.